Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to change username on TikTok. The process of changing username on TikTok is straightforward and effortless. All you have to do is, first make sure your app is up to date. After making sure, open your TikTok application. Once it will be open, take a look on the bottom of your mobile screen. Here are different options like Home, Friends, plus sign, Inbox, and on the last profile icon. You have to tap on this option profile. After tapping on it, in the middle of your mobile screen, you can see these options: edit profile, share profile, and a profile icon with sign from here. Tap on this option, edit profile. After tapping on it, you will be redirected to your profile, where you can change your name, username, and can write bio, and few other things. So here tap on the option username, which is on the second number before changing the username. You can read on the last. You can change your username once every 30 days. It means you can change your username on TikTok once in a month, so be careful while choosing the name. Because if you write the wrong name and save it, then you will not be able to change it for next 30 days. So be careful and tap on this username and write the new username on TikTok and look for the availability. After doing it, tap on the option Save, which is on the right top, and tap on the option Set Username. So it was the basic way by which you can change your username or TikTok.